Hello once again, and welcome back to Slide into English, where we learn about the English language through slideshows, storytelling, and comprehensible input. In our next series on plurals, we are going to learn about the IES plurals. These plurals are specific to words that end in Y. Whenever we have a word that ends in Y, we remove it and add IES to the end. Let's look at some examples. A pantry where you store food becomes pantries. If you have one worry, good for you, but most of us have many worries. Pastry becomes pastries in a basket. Cherry becomes cherries. And battery becomes batteries. As you can see, there are multiple kinds of batteries. Let's read a text. You know, most people's pantries have food in them. You know, most people call before coming over. That way, friends can prepare food. No worries, there are some lollies on the top shelf. Anything not so sweet? I just got some cherries in the fridge. They're sweet, but less sugar. Hey, I think you need to change your fridge's batteries. Guess you didn't come over for nothing. Thank you all once again for your participation and listening. If you would like to learn more about the plurals of the English language and you want to see more videos just like this, please don't forget to subscribe to Slide into English and like this video, leave a comment. I can't wait to see you in our very next lesson. Thank you so much.